Hello everyone, today is February 9, 2022. We went to Tim Hortons in the morning before we drove to work this morning. That's Kat being really loud. And this is Kat getting dropped off. She's going to take a really long time to get her things. And she's gonna slam the door. I took a nap in the car earlier when I got to the parking lot. And I was pressing the wrong buttons on keys when I was locking the car. This is our office. You don't know where I work. Those are my AirPods. I'm setting up to start working. Going to play music so I don't hear anybody else typing. And today is Tito Romel and Jet's birthday. Kuya Jet's birthday. These were the pizzas that I got from work for lunch today. One was labeled veggie, but it was meat lover. I was kind of disappointed, but it worked out because Kat loves meat. I'm gonna go to the parking lot here, and surprisingly, when I came out, Kat was there and she needed to pee, so we went to the washroom first.
Kasing ako. Hirapan ako kumain. Hey guys. Ang sakit talaga ng singaw ko. So,
Sorry.
it's Wednesday and in office again.
It's 4:23.
It's 4:23 in office again ngayon. And sabay kami kaninang umaga umalis. Sabay din kami uwi ngayon. And meron siyang pizza! May pizza siya. Galing sa work nila. Kinain ko na kasi may sobra. Anyways, magko-Costco tayo today. Bibili tayo ng... Ano bibili natin? Chicken. Yung buong chicken na luto na. Yung ready to eat na. And, ewan ko baka may makita pa kaming bibili namin doon. Kasama na naman kayo. Let's go! That is yung Vancouver Public Library. Ay, sorry. Diyan na. Ano na natin? Ay, ano ba yan? Ito yung kabilang side ng stadium. Rogers Arena.
Those are condo buildings.
Ito mga condo buildings ito. Kung nakita niyo yung pasyal sa Vancouver namin na vlog, yung way na dinaanan namin dito. Ano ha? Yan ang Science World. Science World. Halos lahat ng mga buildings dito, mga ano na, building apartments, mga condos na. Mga ganyan. Okay guys, papasok na tayo ng Burnaby. Yan, yung mga buildings na nakikita nyo, mga condos din yan. So, halos lahat dito mga condos na. Dito banda yung Costco. So, dito tayo liliko. Yan.
Do you hear all the birds? They're everywhere. Oh my gosh. Where? Oh. They're everywhere.
So guys, nakapasok na kami ngayon sa
Costco. Look at this. Wait. Look at this. This is good. We have this at home.
pero yung mas malaki niya.
Mas malaki. This is really good. It's a good brand.
Te, need na ni mo.
Need na nimo? Na
Kailangan
ballpen? Og ballpen? Need na nimo? Oh, look at this. $57 for all of the TikTok things. Huh? TikTok? Di ba meron yun sa TikTok? Wow, when this one goes on sale, this would be good. Look, they have labels on top, and they have this. So nice, right? Look at this one, Mom, Dad. If you buy us this, we can bring it to the beach when you come here, right? And you can take it with us. It's so easy. Is it what you wanted?
Kani nga spam.
How many in a pack? 3 pack.
Tatlo. Tulo. Ay, sorry.
Like, sorry ka dun. This one is only $7.99 for one whole chicken. This one, oxtail, is $22.99. It's gonna make a lot of karaka. So the problem is with Costco is that it comes with a lot all the time. So you're gonna be eating the same thing over
Yeah.
and over.
Pero
Let's
guys,
buy
kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit
salmon.
So guys, kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit kami nagpapa-member ng Costco, kami lang namang dalawa. Minsan kasi, like for example, yung mga supplies namin sa kitchen or yung mga cleaning materials namin or yung sa laundry namin, kailangan yung pangmatagalan talaga, hindi yung babalik-balik kami sa grocery tapos bibili kami ng mga ganon. So actually nakaplano na yung mga groceries namin and yung mga gamit namin sa bahay, yung mga supplies namin. So kaya minsan mas gusto namin nag-grocery din dito sa Costco, like yung mga laundry soap, yung mga ganyan, tsaka yung mga meats din matagalan na stock.
So I picked the cheapest ones, $21 for this big salmon. Pretty good. They also have clothes, very good clothes.
Yeah.
Here's for Dia over there. Hi Dia, shout out to you, my goddaughter. Oh, this is good.
Alam nyo, pwede yung pang pasalubong or pang padala sa Pilipinas kasi maramihan at saka mura lang dito. Pero guys, may tanong ako sa mga nanonood sa atin kahit hindi naman natin subscribers. Tanong ko lang, na-try nyo na ba magpadala ng balikbayan box sa Pilipinas kasi hindi ko pa na-try. Gusto ko sana malaman kung paano nyo ginagawa. Uy, easy
Here.
pala yun
Does anybody like this? Because I like it. Kuyas, do you like these?
Kuya Red and Kuya Dread.
These ones are good.
Meron din silang mga boxes
This
dito.
one. Food. And that's the outside of Costco in Burnaby. No, don't put it together because this is hot.
Hi, we're home.
We're home now. Back there. This was my lunch earlier. And this is salmon that we bought at Costco for $21. Pretty big. What I'm gonna do is like prep it, kind of. So just section it so that every time we take it out to eat for dinner, it's already sliced up, and then we don't have to thaw all of it in order to make a little bit of it, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I think these are skinless, which is a shame because I like the skin. But we're gonna eat first, right? So here's our dinner: chicken, jufran, calamansi juice, And Kat's just getting rice over there. Again, we're eating on the floor because... So even though I worked in the office today, that's still set up because I'm here tomorrow and on Friday. So we're gonna take it apart on Friday again and then set up again on Monday. Eating. We're eating with you, Corinne, the family.
Tapos na kaming kumain. And ngayon may mga ginagawa lang kaming mga personal stuff. But
Ano oras na?
it's already 7:13.
7:13.
And I think magpapaalam na kami. Siguro maghahanap pa kami ng mga or mag-iisip pa kami ng ibang content na ma-enjoy nyo naman, guys.
Kasi, is this boring? Is this boring for you?
Parang wala din kasing ganap masyado, lalo na pag weekdays kasi work lang naman kami ni Kim. But we'll try. Mag-iisip kami ng mga pwede naming i-vlog para sa inyo, para ma-enjoy naman kayo.
True. Maybe tomorrow we'll have some more things to talk about because I have a dentist appointment that I'm really pissed about. So we'll talk about that too.
Yes. And gusto lang din namin mag-hi sa Carino family. And
Because they're like right there.
yes, and kay Beck and Kai. Kasi ang sweet nila, nag-hi na. Nagre-reply sila actually. Nagko-comment din sila sa vlog namin. Medyo nahihiya pa kami. Pero thank you so much, guys. Na-appreciate namin yon. Sobrang sweet niyo naman.
And hello to our family.
Hi to our family in the Philippines and sa Calgary.
And to our friends.
And to our friends also. So, yeah, hi and welcome. So, siguro bukas itatry namin na may gagawin. But yeah, sabi nga ni Kim, may dentist appointment siya bukas. So, isasama niya kayo sa dentist niya. Good night!